Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. My son wants to make fruit smoothie, so we're going to use up
Before the
that
fruit
yogurt.
goes bad.
Yeah. We just want to use up the fruit. He got this fruit bowl that was ridiculously priced at the Acme. $25 for a freaking fruit bowl.
It was pretty good size though.
Yeah, I know. Well, hey, we at least get to keep the bowl. So, yeah, right, that vanilla yogurt is good.
Yep.
Which is Stonyfield Organic Probiotic Yogurt Vanilla.
Oh, yeah. You doing something?
Yeah, show them what you're putting in.
Putting in some pumpkin spice, maple syrup.
A little bit, and then we're also going to add some honey because we want to see, will that taste good with the pumpkin spice? We'll drink it anyway. Won't we, Steve?
Oh, yeah.
That should be good. That wasn't too much. And that pumpkin spice maple syrup we got from the Aldi. We will be adding cinnamon, because cinnamon is good for arthritis and other things, including cognitive health. Smack the crap out of it if you want. All right, fur babies, behave. Sometimes the cat eggs the dog on and they get a little too rough with each other. Okay. So yes, that is a good amount of cinnamon.
Do you want to add a little bit of milk to it?
No.
Okay.
Because it's got enough fruit liquid in there. Then some vanilla.
That should do it.
Yep, that should do.
And
we got to finish up this honey because I have a whole other one. I'm a little wobbly. I shouldn't be on my ankle, but I wanted to do this. Okay, that should be good. Hey, you want me to go grab some ice in a moment?
Yes.
Okay. So while he's blending this portion, I'm going to go get some ice.
I'm just trying to finish this little bit up.
So, in goes the ice. That blended really good, as you can see. So we have honeydew melon, watermelon, cantaloupe, red grapes, green grapes, blueberries, and what else was it? I think that was it.
Yeah.
And the fruit by itself is really good. I'm going to pause this while he's blending that so that you don't hear the noise. So, or you can go ahead and turn it on and then I'll pause it. Blended. So now that that is done blending, he's going to unplug it because that's just the thing we do around here. And if you wonder about that Duracell cup, he got that from work with a pen and what else?
Oh, and a mouse pad.
Yeah, except the mouse pad is no longer a little girl. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you him pouring one cup and then we shall meet you at the table. So yeah, I know I look like total crap. This shirt is huge on me now. I've lost a lot of weight. Anyway, so I have to try this. Oh, that's really good.
You cannot taste the watermelon.
No, you can't. Or the honeydew. Or the cantaloupe.
Nope.
So now when Rob gets home from the errand that he ran, he said it'll be a while. So we can just pour some in cups and perhaps just put that in the freezer. Yeah, that'd be good. So anyway, this will be a cooking with Char and Steve because Steve has blended this up really nice. There's a short video of him, of the food that he cooked for breakfast. He and Rob are taking turns on stuff. So like Rob cooked what, twice?
Yeah.
And Rob's been doing the dishes at night. I hobble in there and secretly put them away.
Except for last night.
Yeah, except for last night because I was too tired. But anyway, remember you can blend stuff up. Even if you think you won't like it, you know what would have gone good in this blended? Matcha.
So you got a little left and nothing.
You can blend matcha powder into stuff like this, and it's really good. So, yeah. Hold on. I'm going to have him do that with some. So now he's about to pour the version with the matcha in it. This should be really good. Miss Ma'am. She's weird. Anyway, he's about to bring that to the table. So now that don't mind that toy. The dog's playing with her bones. Anyway, she's weirder. Ooh, that smells good. Look at that color. Oh, that is so refreshing. That is good. Now, he got that matcha powder from Temu, which means it came obviously from overseas. All it is matcha powder. That's it. I did a video a while back on that. Wow. That's delicious. We're going to have to do that more often. Now, you know the other use for the matcha. And it does have that little matcha foam. But that's good.
We need to find out when Rob gets home.
Because most places when you get matcha, you have to ask them to put like liquid sugar in it if it's just too dull. But this has pumpkin spice and honey.
Yeah. But also you gotta also think about the sweetness in the sugar that's already naturally in the fruit.
Yes.
So really, we didn't even have to add the honey or anything else, the syrup in it, because the fruit's already naturally
Would
sweet.
this be something that you would take to work?
Yes.
So, something he would take to work. Also, I would recommend something like this if you have gut issues. Going. You know what I mean? Because shit happens. If you have those issues, I would check with your doctor and then tell them it's a fruit smoothie with a little matcha powder in it. Blend it. Make it blendy friendly. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm going to drink the rest of that. And thanks, Steve, for the recipe.
Yeah, no problem.
And
when Rob gets back, I'm going back to the store getting some more fruit.
He might just let you take the car.
Unless, after I see what he gets.
Yes, yeah. Yes. From his errand. Anyway, with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Tell Steve thank you in the comments.